Hey, what's up everybody? I'm here with a channel update. The channel update is because whenever I just go and search for my analytics, I found out that many of the people are actually watching my videos on a mobile phone. So for that I have created one application, that is Zealplex. Just go and search on Google Play Store, search for my application Zealplex, go ahead and install that one. After you have installed it, it is like 1.39 MB, almost like 2 MB, just the size of your image. Just go and upload and install that one. After you have installed the application, whenever I upload any new video, it is automatically going to redirectly add to this application. And this is my new video which I uploaded 2 days back, and you can see it right over here. If you want, you can go and click on playlist, and definitely you will get some of the playlist. You can see I have applications. For example, I have 29 videos in my Android application, 3 inspiration, and so on and so forth. For my recent video, it is automatically going to go and come over here, and you can directly click on it, and it is going to go and give you the video which I just uploaded, and you can directly go and watch the video from here. You don't need to go on YouTube and search for Zealplex. If you want to know about me, you can directly go on home and you will get the details about me. Another thing is you can go and read all of the ebooks if you are interested to read. But if you want to go and just see the video and understand, you can definitely see what all of the things are there in my playlist. And here is the things about me, what do I know and what do I teach. You can see this is how I look and my story and so on and so forth. Just go and download this application. From the videos, you can directly watch my recent video, and that is going to go and give you the details whenever I upload a new video. So this was a channel update because you are giving love to my videos. This is the application which I have to make and share it with you guys. So that's about it for this video. I hope you go and install this application, and if you have any things more you want to tell me, you can directly go and tell me that one as well, and I'm going to go and look forward for that and make a video on that. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out, and this is how I look. So see you guys next time.